here's how you can make roles on Discord. So you want to first open up your Discord and then go into your Discord server if you have one. So to have roles, you need to first have a Discord server, of course. So once you're in your Discord server, what you want to do is click on the three dots on the top right hand corner. And then from here, you want to scroll down and then click on settings. Now you want to scroll down in settings. And then under user management, there should be an icon that says roles. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. So now you can see all the roles that you have made, and if you want to add a new one, simply click on the plus icon on the top right hand side, and then you want to name the role. So you can make it like admin, name it mod, name it whatever you want. You can also make the role color. So you can go ahead and change a color, or you can maybe customize a color, and then click on select. So that's going to be our role color. Now you want to click on create. So now you want to select how it shows up. So we can click on Cosmic, and then you want to add the members. So, and then now you just want to select people to have the roles. We could give it to a couple people just like that. Click on finish. Now those 3 people have those new roles.